test your luck. Cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. I'm ostracized and traumatized by everything I'm not. Alright, I'm lost inside, and anything I say you better listen up closely. Mostly, the one and only, bring it on slowly. Hand your boy the trophy, patience is holy moly. I got him hating on me like Michael hates Toby. Force like I'm Obi, you know the one Kenobi. Force straight baloney, by phony. Just wanna rule the world, call me Mr. Steel Girl. He's a baby to a girl, now he's worried about ya. Yeah, coming out strong, I've been here for a long time. Started off online, finish off all time. They can call me crazy cause I rap like I got rabies. I'm confident, I'm lazy, and I'm dominating lately. She want me like some pastries, I'm making that to these ladies like I'm Hefner in my 80s. Still I'm pushing up don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body. With me, don't all your body parts to a fucking what are y'all debating? It's really irritating. What I'm saying here got him shaking. You won't never find a fucker like me. And make you bite me and you'll break him. Your teeth will be vacant. I don't need to be patient. I breed entertainment from the streets, not the basement. See, I've been baking like your mama's casserole. You with me? I've turned on the radio when you hear some shit. Your throat all slit if you don't know this, and I won't be missed. Hell no, I'm pissed. I'm the only rapper in this game worth shit. I do it on my own, don't need nobody's help. I do it on my own, I'ma do it by myself. Lyrics on my own, you won't put me on the shelf. Every punch that I throw, I can send your ass to hell. Better run, bitch, down with me. Don't wanna do it with me. Cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts. Don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. 6 feet on the ground. I get what I need. Every single day I'm headed off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well need. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really got it. I'm just being honest. I promise cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist, and I know I'm not the largest. I'm the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get I'm gonna get retarded. Get the party started. Yeah, get the party started. Yeah, fuck up. I don't know what's up. Put that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. This shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd. We lose control now. I'll take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Learn it from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's an urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we to find out who you wanna be. So I'd be cautious. I hope you're watching. Don't try to stop this. I'm nauseous. I want this. Don't try to stop me. There ain't an option. So I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Walk until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. Not because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. really worth it. And later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than one word. The best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grow yourself and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't go back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't go back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life we made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. Don't doubt. Don't give a fuck how. Just take your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve. Don't try to stop me till I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching.